मैं अब आज की विनिंग टीम के कैप्टन को मधु करूंगा, लेकिन तालियां बतानी चाहिए। असद शाह।
What about that? That was mere flick of the wrist and away she goes. It was a full toss and drilled hard, gets away to the boundary. Is good. Oh, what about that for a flick? My word, this guy can play. He's a real entertainer. Have a look at that for a swivel. That has gone into the stands, and it's yet another 6. Oh, there's no way you're going to stop if you keep bowling there in his arc. He is absolutely too good a player to miss out.
Go with the 6.
He does, or has he? Yes, he does. The timing is sublime. And that too has been talked down the ground. Thank you very much. That is the most expensive over in this match.
This one is lofted into the onside, and that is gone out of here. Another 6. Asad Shah, you little beauty. Outside that off stump, and he has given that a go, picking the buns out of that one, and what a way to bring his half century up.
होती हैं या अच्छे प्लेयर वो होते हैं जो प्रेशर सिचुएशन के अंदर भी अच्छा परफॉर्म करें, और एवरीडे इज नॉट संडे, तो सामने वाली टीम अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है, इनसे बेहतर क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, इंशाल्लाह मैच जीतेंगे।
And Asad Shah has pulled that away and pulled that away over the backward square leg for yet another 6 tonight. And Asad Shah has driven that one away, and he found the gap magnificently. Asad goes again. Asad, you beauty. Power away over extra cover. Mine, what a batting. Asad goes again. Oh my word, what is going on? Another 6, again picking the bombs out of that one. And he goes straight down the ground. He hammered that one over the side screen. He goes up to 88. Here goes Umar again. And Asad has cut that away and cut that away into the gap. It's running away towards the backward point. Boundary reaches there. Another 4. He's in 90s now with the 5th ball of his over. And Asad has gone down the ground. Hammered that away. And here comes the first 100. Here he's doing the sajda to Allah. Oh my God, what a tremendous innings. What a sensational stuff. He's reached to his 100 in 25 ball. And Asad Shah, you are a beauty.
Absolutely, absolutely rightly said. He hammered that one as well. Absolutely brilliant by Asad. What a tweet to watch. Just 25 deliveries and he got his century. What a player he is. Well, there's no word. There are no words to describe what innings that he has played in tonight.
What a peach of innings. And he goes again. It's going away. Fielder pull it in. Fielder did pull it in, but we will have to see the replay as well. But nevertheless, what a fantastic century it has been, Kainat. Asad Shah almost hammered them in all corners of the ground. And there you watch that.
Well, it was a good save by the fielder, at least saving a couple of runs. But there are going to be no words to describe how beautifully Asad has batting throughout. The swing he had, the way he was playing, his energy to the field, to on the pitch was exceptional. Using the pace of the bowlers, coming down the line, just using everything in his favor. Absolutely brilliant. The crowd is enjoyed the innings. So did the team. I mean, everyone is on the field congratulating him at the moment for the innings he had played. It's never easy to score that 100 in just 6 overs. Can you just believe that? 26 deliveries and he is on 102 not out.
Wow, wow, wonderful, amazing, monumental one. And there you see the spectators really congratulating him. And it deserved to be congratulated by everyone. 102 of 26 balls, but 106 overs format. Wow, innings yaar.